journey unfolds, painting the skies with possibilities. Bound for Lawag, beyond mere miles, charting courses of connection.
In the stratosphere, I let go my fear, and I'm focused now. I'm gonna be there. The meteoric rise to reclaim the
North meets south, a convergence of hearts and landscapes.
on the stage of life. We accept the fight to be number.
We have truly made history with the first commercial flight from Cebu to Lawag.
Today we celebrate our Cebu-Lawag touchdown. We are proud to be part of this maiden history. I wish to congratulate my Philippine Airlines family for this successful maiden journey.
When everything starts to fade, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and
As the sun bows, the stage is set for an enchanting performance.
that's what we are made of. Yes, we are. Real. This is real. That's what we are.
Mini Himala sa Buhangin, where culture converge in a symphony of sights and sounds.
Layunin talaga namin tonight is to give our local musicians, our local artists a chance to shine. Even though this is a mini Himala, let's go big and let's make sure that we live it up tonight and let us all enjoy Himala sa Buhangin.
When you feel out of place, you don't have to be afraid.
A tapestry woven with melodies, steps, and the vibrant hues of diverse traditions.
This is free love. That's what we are made of.
Bridging north and south beneath the stars, a shared destiny unfolds. Forward together towards new horizons. I'm in for the journey ahead.